We're out here at the 2015 World Ag Expo at the International Agri Center in Tulare, and I am talking with Colin Miotti with USA North 811. Colin, tell us a little bit about your program.
Yeah, absolutely. So 811 is a free 3-digit number, kind of like 911, but it's nationwide. When you plan on digging, you dial 811 prior to digging, 2 working days, and then we notify all the utility members, and the utility members will individually go out there and mark their lines so you don't hit them while you're digging. It's actually a nationwide survey that said 99% of damage is avoided when you first call 811 prior to digging.
Why is it so important to call 811 before you dig?
There are hundreds and hundreds of different utility lines under the ground, anything from natural gas to a shell pipeline, we don't want to hit that, or even, water, which is really important down here in the valley, and electricity, and there's just a lot of lines that not only are dangerous, but it's resources that are wasted if they get hit.
So tell me a little bit more about the danger that can happen if you don't check before you.
Well, that's just basically playing Russian roulette with a shovel. You can run into like I said, a gas line, which is obviously very dangerous. Last year, I believe there was one in Bakersfield that was a 36-inch line that got hit by a tractor, and that could have easily, been very, very bad.
All right. Once again, the number is 811. Very easy to remember. If they want more information about this, is there a website they can go to?
Yeah, our website is usanorth811.org.
Thank you again, Colin Miotti with USA North 811.